Damn! People of the world, what is going on? So, we have a lot going on today. It's a Friday morning. Tropical Storm Fay, okay, is riding up along the east coast and may make landfall. Not a hurricane, but it's a mid-grade tropical storm. And hurricane season may be bad this season, and this is a pretty early time to get a tropical system, especially here. I mean, breaking all kinds of records in terms of tropical storms forming. This is the 6th tropical storm this season so far in the Atlantic, and that's like the earliest ever. So, very active tropical season may be ahead for us as well. And Tropical Storm Fay is riding up along the east coast. Tropical storm warnings are in effect for Atlantic County. So, we are going to be going on a tropical chase probably today. And as you see, the winds aren't that bad, but we do have some rain. We could get upwards of 3 to 5 inches of rain even in our location. And there is the chance of some spin-up tornadoes as well, especially as you get closer to the coasts and water spouts. So we're going to see. Maybe I can get down closer to the shore. We'll see. Could see some water spout action. That would be really cool. And yeah, we could see some spin-ups, so we got to stay tuned for some tornado warnings possibly today. Under a flash flood watch too, and as you can tell, so here we go. So that is the path of Fay, and you see it may make landfall actually somewhere near Atlantic City, in Atlantic County even. So we're gonna have to keep a close eye on that. Right now we're just getting in our location some steady rainfall, but as you can tell, play. But as you can tell, Tropical Storm Fay spinning, very heavy rain towards our coast, towards our area as well. And you see these bands of thunderstorms, these reds and oranges, especially near the coast. Those are what I'm concerned about for extremely heavy rainfall, flash flooding, and isolated tornadoes. So a lot of times with tropical systems, that's what you can get. And the path of this storm, it's a 50-mile-an-hour tropical storm right now. So it is not that strong. So I'm not expecting strong winds. But if we get a high gust here and there, it could knock down a couple trees. And if you get a spin-up tornado, you do have the chance of some minor damage, and that is what we're going to be looking out for today. But main threat with Tropical Storm Fay is going to be the flash flooding. So that is what I'm doing today mainly, and yeah, I will pick it up when I go out to do my tropical chase, and we'll see what's going on. Okay, so it is still morning, around 9:45 in the morning now, and we are heading towards northwestern Atlantic County, where some of the more feistier, heavier rain bands are, and some thunderstorms were being detected coming off of the Atlantic County coast, including Atlantic City, Estelle Manor, places like that near the shore. So, we could see some lightning, who knows, and possibility of a couple spin-up tornadoes here and there. So we're going to be on the lookout for that. And just surveying Tropical Storm Fay and what it's been doing. We are seeing some higher gusts at times, so I will keep you guys updated, and I will film on the way to Atlantic County, where the tropical storm warning is in effect. Guys, so we are in Buena now in Atlantic County where there is a tropical storm warning. And we are getting some very heavy rainfall along with some gusty winds here. We're going to pull into a nearby location here, and here is some street flooding as you see here. Winds are picking up a bit. Which is why we're under the flash flood watch. Alright, very, very heavy rains here. A little further. Flooding here, and here's the flooding on the side of the roads. Just going to pull in this little location. We're just going to watch this unfold here, guys. We are in one of the heavier rain bands. There we go, we're in one of the heavier rain bands right now. Very heavy rainfall. And some gusty winds as well. So may start to see some cloudy ground lightning here in a little. Guys updated on what I see. But for now, it's just a lot of very heavy rainfall right now. So these are what tropical downpours look like. Tropical Storm Fay. And we are probably going to be seeing some localized flooding shortly. Here is the Doppler radar as it stands right now. Kind of blurry, but you get the idea. That's our blue dot in Buena. Probably going to head up towards Winslow. Tropical downpours here. Winds are picking up. You're hearing is water on the fire. Really heavy rainfall. flash flooding. Flash flooding there. So we are starting to see water. Are really picking up now.
Quarter mile, turn right onto Bristol Road.
And these are some gusty winds. We're getting some higher gusts now.
Continue for 10 miles.
Reflooding continues. Lots of reflooding over here. Flash flooding on the roads now, and there you go. More flash flooding. These low-lying areas in Atlantic County are getting flooded, so see, somebody has their hazards on up there. Winds are also starting to pick up, and here we go with more flooding on the sides here. Not nearly as bad as the one part of this road that we were on. The rain is just coming down in sheets at the moment. Driving through a heavier rain band, and I did see some lightning up ahead. So, let's see. There is some lightning we just caught. Just caught some lightning on camera there. Raining so hard you can't even hear the thunder, but really, really heavy rains right now. Blinding.
Head south, then sharp left onto Whitehall Road. Continue on US 322 west for 4 miles. Get back online. You are on the fastest route and your route is clear. You should reach your destination by 10:42 a.m.
Alright, so we are dealing with a blinding rainfall at the moment. And I mean, this is just extremely, extremely heavy rainfall. And the hazards are going to have to go on here, folks. Hazards are on. Watching out for some more lightning up ahead. These thunderstorms start to come on shore. Really, really heavy rainfall. Can't even see the stoplight up ahead. That's how blinding this rain is. I got it. Let's see some more lightning. Seeing flooding here.
Continue for 1.5 miles.
Okay, guys, so it is about 6 o'clock in the afternoon, late afternoon, and just giving you guys on an update. Tropical Storm Fay has made landfall about an hour ago. It was a 60-mile-an-hour tropical storm a little bit earlier in the day today, but now a 50-mile-an-hour tropical storm that made landfall near Atlantic City. So right near Atlantic City. This is obviously one of the earliest landfalls ever in this part of the country, let alone, anywhere. I mean, this is a very early landfall for this time of year. Early July. I mean, it's pretty uncommon, so we may be in for a pretty long hurricane season, and it's something that we're obviously going to be having to keep our eyes on, especially along the coast. I mean, we're close enough to the coast where our weather gets impacted pretty good. We've had a lot of flooding reports. The worst of the weather was this morning, which is why I documented that. A lot of widespread reports of like 3 to 4 inch rainfall, even some more than that, but as you can tell right now, still misty, still light rain, and the winds have died down as the storm is pushing northeastward up along our coast. The winds have been decreasing, so that is about it. Tropical Storm Fay, and forever documented. I hope you guys like this. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications to get notified every time I upload. And as always, be sure to follow my Instagram at MattDeAngelisMusic. And I will catch you guys on the flip side.